Welcome to our channel, Eva Eve Kids!
Have you ever wondered why astronauts float in space?
On Earth, gravity pulls everything down. Now let's zoom into space. 3, 2, 1, Geo! In space, astronauts seem to float everywhere.
The astronauts are actually falling around Earth again and again.
The spaceship moves super fast around Earth. It keeps moving in a big circle. Orbit means going around something in space. Woohoo! Look at me! I'm flying! Whoa! Pizza, grapes, come to me! Got them! Haha! Space snacks are the best! The sleeping bag keeps me from floating into controls. Good night, Earth. So astronauts float because they are moving around Earth while gravity keeps pulling them.